we don't need to show, I think. If you
Sure.
are successful, so and your behavior is good, so people will automatically recognize you. Yeah, you are a good personality.
Right.
Hello, good morning, and how are you doing?
Yes, very good morning. I'm doing great. What about you?
Yes, I'm perfectly fine. Thank you for asking. So
Yeah.
I think I know a little bit about you, but can you give your short introduction, please?
Yeah, sure. Why not? So, I am Priyanka. I am from Gurugram, Haryana. I have completed my master's in finance and marketing, and now I'm preparing for assistant professor job. As well as I'm running a YouTube channel. Name is Speak with Priyanka Katariya. And if I talk about my hobbies, so reading books and talking to people, these two are my hobbies. Yeah, that's all about myself.
Okay, that's great.
May I know a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering in IT branch and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company and simultaneously I'm also running my YouTube. Yeah, that's all about me.
What is your aim? You are on YouTuber. What is your aim related to this? You are running a YouTube channel, I think. And
Mhm.
what is your aim behind this?
Okay, so actually when I started my YouTube channel, that time I didn't think about like I have to grow on YouTube. I had to build my confidence level, and I was not enough confident that I can talk with other people. So that's why I thought I should shoot my videos, and if I'll upload my videos, so I can get confidence also, so to face other people. But now I'm doing this kind of conversational videos and talking with other people, so I'm just thinking if I'm putting my efforts, like I'm improving my English, so definitely I want to reach on an advanced level. So that's why I thought to continue this journey, and yeah, that's my aim. And
Yeah.
definitely if we can grow on YouTube, so that is also a plus point for us. Yeah.
Yeah. So as you told, you are making conversation. So how to make a conversation interacting?
Sometimes it happens we are just talking and talking, we are not
Hmm.
giving other people chance to speak. So I
Right.
have observed some people just do the same thing. They think if I'll speak a lot, then I can improve very fast, and they
Hmm.
are not listening to other people. So I think we shouldn't do this thing. We should communication should be two way, right? If you are talking and I am talking, you are listening to me, I am listening to you. So it can be an interactive session. And if you are asking any question to me and I am asking any question to you, so this way we can make our conversation interactive also.
Yeah, and we should try to give topic or we should talk randomly. What is your opinion about this?
Okay, so I have talked a lot on our general topic. So I think we should talk on topic also, because of topic you are just getting the information of different things also. And when you have knowledge about something, then you can speak better, right? Because if someone is asking you what are you doing and what you ate like this, so we already know that how we have to speak, and
Hmm.
we are not using any advanced vocabulary, I guess, in the in general conversation. But if we are talking on a topic, so it would be great for you to make new vocabulary and idioms like this.
Yeah,
So
so
what's
as you know,
your opinion?
yes. So as you know, I had lot of sessions with my co-learner with clapping or tutor. So I feel that difficulties, like some people they are very talkative. They usually talk a lot, and that time I feel bored in the session, and I always watch the time, like when this session will end, because I'm not interacting. I'm just listening. So we are here only not for listening. We are here for speaking as well. So
Hmm.
I feel, yeah, that is a not good thing if other person is not involving in the conversation. So that is not a good thing, and we can't make
Yes,
it
yes.
even interesting.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Even I get bored when I see that other people are just speaking and speaking, and they are not giving chance to us that I can speak. So that.
Yeah. So is ever happened with you, like when you wanted to if someone gave you a topic, but
Mhm.
you were not aware about that topic, so you stuck in between. Is that happen with you?
As of now, it doesn't happen. But yeah, sometimes if I don't know the topic really what it is, so I just ask. politely that if they can elaborate in a single line, so that we can get the idea what topic it is, so we can speak, I think, by our own information. So yeah.
Yeah, so while conversing, we should use normal vocabulary or advanced vocabulary. What do you think?
As per my opinion, we should use according to the conversation, I guess, because when I talk with my colleagues and managers, so they are a native speaker also, so they speak very advanced thing. So I observe a lot, like how why they are speaking advanced vocabulary and advanced thing, because in a business conversation, and if you are talking with a great personalities like this, so they are just using the advanced vocabularies, so it can make your conversation more effectively, I guess. So I think we should use.
But it depends on other co-learner. If he or she not able to understand our vocabulary, advanced vocabulary, so there is no purpose of using these kind of words.
Yes, yes, I think you're right. So I generally do these things. If someone is, I feel they are beginner level and they can't understand my vocabulary, like advanced vocabulary, so I'm not using it. But if you are comfortable, like other people are comfortable, so then we can talk, I think.
Okay. So have you prepared any topic list or just whatever comes in your mind you speak in the sessions? Like I usually do. I usually prepare some questions, like 5 questions, 10 questions. Today I haven't prepared anything, but because I know about you and we had already a conversation. But usually I made 4 questions before joining the session. So do you do like this?
Not really. When whatever things comes in my mind, I just ask it. And sometimes, if I'm getting bored to talking on the same things again and again, then I think at least a topic in my head only. In the middle of the conversation, I can recall any topic that can be relevant for talking. So just I'm doing it.
So I have one more question. Like if a person become very successful,
Mm-hmm.
so how that person can become down to earth? What makes him like that kind of personality? What do you think?
Okay, so I think people should be down to earth, whether they are successful or not. And it your action talks a lot, or
Hmm.
your behavior. If your behavior is good and you are doing a great thing in your life, so you don't need to say other people that you are successful or you are doing a great job, because people recognize you from your behavior. You must have seen that some famous personalities are very down to earth, because they know that people are watching them, people are
Hmm.
just observing them. If they are doing anything wrong and they are not down to earth, so we will not respect them.
Hmm. Right.
Okay, so it depends on your behavior. You must have heard about Ratan Tata and other famous
Hmm.
personalities. They are
Yeah.
very down to earth, and when you will see them, so their dressing sense, their behavior, their politeness, so it can make people more successful. So
Right.
it all depends on you, and sometimes we don't need to show, I think. If
Hmm.
you
Sure.
are successful,
Hmm.
so and your behavior is good, so people will automatically recognize you. Yeah, you are a good personality.
Right. So I feel character is a priceless thing for us. If we have good character, good behavior, so we are successful. Otherwise, some people have a lot of money, but they are very arrogant. People don't like them, so they are. I feel they are not successful.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. Even I don't show anything to other people what work I'm doing, and whatever things I have. So I'm not showing anything. And I have get this comment also, like you are very down to earth, you are very kind person. So it gives me more pleasure, because someone is treating you like, yes, you are a uh, great behavior. So that is a more peaceful or more what can I say, more happiness things, I guess.
Yeah, right. Yes, I also always want to become like I'm very kind person, but I try to help people whenever I get chance. So I try to do that thing.
Yes, and when I see other people who don't have anything and they don't have anything to show off also, but still they are doing it. I don't know why. So when I see that kind of people, so I think why they are showing like this.
Yeah,
So
right.
it's not a good thing, I think.
Yes. So do you like, sorry, are you a spiritual kind of person?
Not really, but I believe sometimes.
Okay. So if you have a choice to do anything right or wrong, so is there any voice within you? Is it right? It is wrong, like this.
Yes, yes, and I think I always go in a right side, right direction. Whether I can, because I always try to choose a right path only. To be honest, uh, I don't know. It is in my nature, I think. So I always try to, and I always think before doing anything. If that thing is right, then only I will do. And
Hmm.
most of the time, I try to avoid this kind of wrong activities, wrong things, because I ultimately I know that I have to build my personalities in a good manner. So that's why.
Right. So do you do exercises, yoga, pranayam, like this?
I started, but I don't know. It is not in my habit, so
Hmm.
I'm not able to inculcate in my habit. To be honest,
So what are your habits? Like what you love to do?
what I left to, sorry,
Love to
what
do.
I
I'm asking about your hobbies. What you love to do?
okay. So in my free time, I usually do drawing and sometimes dancing and traveling also.
Dance. Oh, sorry, drawing.
Drawing, yeah.
Okay, and dancing. Yeah. I am also busy nowadays after cracking this exam. So I am preparing for interview. So I don't get time to give mock interviews. Nowadays I'm very busy. I'm not doing anything special, but I am busy with so
Okay.
simple so normal things. Yeah.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, so if you have like if I ask define you in your 5 words, define your personality as a person. So in 5 words, so what are those 5 words?
Okay. So I think I'm a punctual,
Hmm.
hardworking, and honest. You can say,
Hmm.
and kind also, kind-hearted, and yeah, positive attitude.
Okay, so give me any example related to hard work. What did you do? So you can define
Okay.
yourself.
Yeah, hard work I can say because I'm working in my company. So whatever task I have given, so I always try to do it by my like with hard working. Whatever things are required to complete that work, so I always try to do it. So I think
That,
I can say that I'm a hard worker.
yeah, okay. So do you have environment in your office? People can speak in English?
Yes, yes, I have to speak in English only because
Oh,
they are from different state and countries. So that's why it's my compulsion.
okay. So there is no worry about your English because you have an environment and you will become very good in this. You are already very good in English.
Yeah, I can say that I'm in intermediate, but yes, I have to become advanced because when I see that people, like my colleagues and managers, that time I feel little bit demotivated, like why I'm not this kind of fluent or advanced. So I
Yeah,
have to
but you
become
are
like,
in this environment, so definitely you will become very soon advanced speaker because you have already you need to speak in English only. You can't speak any other language, so
hmm.
automatically your brain will catch all the things.
Yeah, and I haven't learned this language, and I didn't try to learn anytime before joining my job. And when I joined my company, that from that time onwards, I had to speak in English. So that's why I learned
Mm,
automatically.
yeah. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay, so how did you learn English, and what are the things you are doing as of now?
Okay, so I if I talk about my English journey, so I started learning this journey, this language with the help of Clappingo tutor.
Mhm.
I joined Clappingo and then I had a lot of sessions with them. And after completing Clappingo subscription, I started having conversation with my co-learner. And if I talk about what I'm doing nowadays for English, so I'm reading books and I'm watching conversational videos sometime, not like every day, and podcast. I'm listening to podcast nowadays. These three, four things I'm doing. And then yeah, sometime I write as well. I started writing. Yeah,
Okay.
these things I'm doing. Yeah.
Okay, so do you think like you are able to use any advanced vocabulary and idioms are in your conversation? Because I'm not able to do so as of now, so that's why.
Okay, so like if I talk about I am using advanced vocabulary or idioms, so I'm not stressing on my mind like we try to use these advanced vocabulary. No, whenever I learn any new word, so I try to use that word, but not forcefully.
Mhm.
And if I talk about idioms, yeah, I usually use idiom, but very simple. So I want to very fluent in this
Mhm.
language. Then I will add some advanced vocabulary. And when we watch any podcast, any conversation, so indirectly we are learning advanced vocabulary, and indirectly we are using that vocabulary. We don't know because we are both learner, but
Mhm.
who are beginner who don't know this language, so they feel we are I am very good speaker in English. So it's a very long journey. We will learn these things, but not forcefully. I'm not forcing my mind to use this word. This is very advanced. You have to use this. Then only you will become advanced speaker. So I'm not doing this.
Mm-hmm. Because if you are listening to any podcast or listening to other people, and you can understand, or if you are searching that idiom, so when other people are just using in front of you, then you can automatically catch, yeah, this is the meaning of this idiom. So I think
Because
this would
that
be also good. But if you are not understanding, that would be a problem for you. But if
Yeah,
we
so
can
that will
understand
be
that,
our subconscious mind because we have already listened to that word. So that advanced word is in our subconscious mind. So whenever we get chance to speak, use that word, we can use easily. So I'm
hmm,
not forcing in this way. More we do practice, more we become advanced. So
yes,
my
yes, it
focus is
all
just
depends on our efforts. Okay, okay. So we can wrap up. And yeah, I
yeah,
enjoyed talking with you. And
yeah,
have a
me
great
too.
day.
It was lovely talking to you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye
Yeah.
bye.